Ayan na guys, dyan market, September 16, Monday. Almost 10 o'clock na guys. Ready for tomorrow. Dinner for mooncake here in Hong Kong. Ayan, 1 bag of frozen food. Yeah. And this one, vegetables. Ayan. We have a dinner tomorrow. Extended family dinner. So, maaga kami nag-market for today. Ayan. Ang kulang na lang dyan, fish meat. I will buy tomorrow.